can move for a sec. Give me the TV.
What do you want?
The TV thing. What you got there, baby? Oh, it's Mr. Sunshine! Yay! Yeah, look at that.
Where, Mr. Sunshine? Come on, Mr. Sunshine. Shine.
Rise up, Mr. Sunshine!
Get him. Mr. Sunshine wants to talk. Talk to me, Sunshine.
This is so
Ah. Headbutt him, Mr. Sunshine. Not nice, honey. Mr. Sunshine may
Did you hear that?
get cloudy.
Bonnie wants in on the action. Look at her. This is awesome. Boing, boing. Look at her eyes. Boing.
Headbutt him again. Come on, headbutt him. Boing.
Boing.
Eh.
Boing.
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 Who? Huh? What, me? Yeah, you. Yeah, you.
Do. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, 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 boing. Are you tired of him? Have you grown tired of Mr. Sunshine? Say something to Dad. Say something to him.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Oh my God, what a smile that was.
No, Bonnie. You're not involved in this at this moment. Why don't you be a good puppy for having a family thing?
Boing, boing, boing.
Twang your magic twanger, Froggy.
What is he talking about? What is he talking about? Your daddy's cuckoo. Yeah, she knows.
She says, who knows about this Froggy guy? Must be
Look
something
at-
from
look at
50 years ago.
Look at her in the sun. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes bug out.
What?
Oh my God, this is hilarious. Baby, come on. Come on, stick your hand out. Yeah. Grab him by the neck. Grab him by the neck. Oh. All right. She's so close to him. She's like less than 6 inches from his face.
Our Mr. Sun. Smiling sun. Jumping sun, spinning sun.
Look at her. Look at her.
Oh.
Turning towards the camera.
She is a camera girl. No, honey, no. No. Let me go let out the dog. He'll do it.
All right. We're bored of him.